Hello, good morning, good afternoon, from wherever you might be tuning in. My name is Marivi, and here I am today showing you another way to make money, whether it's online or through an app or through just your laptop or your smartphone. All right, so today's topic is trivia games and quick cash. Get paid now. So who here loves trivia games? No? Anyone? Anyone here like trivia games? Well, if you're like me or my husband, we actually love trivia games. We have lots of apps on our phones that we use for trivia games. But what if I told you you can get paid to play, right? You get paid to play, and the more questions you answer correctly, the more you get paid. All right, so there's this really cool app. Let me show it to y'all. It is called Cash Show. So the really cool thing about this app is that you'll get paid for answering trivia questions. So there is a limited time that you get to answer these questions. So they have the trivia games. They start every day. Can you see that? They start every day at 7 p.m. So they actually have 2 games a day. They have one at 7 p.m. and they have one at 8:30 p.m. I'm guessing is Central Time, not Eastern Time. So Central Time, you get on here and you have the ability to win up to what does it say? $3,000 prize. And the really cool thing is that there is an actual live host hosting this game, and you get to interact with other members. You get to talk out loud. And even the actual host ends up eventually like calling out your name or giving you a quick shout out, which is really cool. The only thing with this game is that you do get 5 seconds to answer the questions. Don't try to Google them. I've tried them. My husband has tried them while I've played the game. It doesn't work out. I ended up losing. But yes, and the really cool thing is that you get to cash out through PayPal as soon as you gain $10. And there's multiple people who have made over $60, $100 just by playing this game. And it only takes maybe from 5 to 10 minutes to play the game. So it doesn't take long. It is called What Happens If You Get the Wrong Answer. If you get the wrong answer, unfortunately, you are disqualified from the game. You still get to watch the rest of the trivia game, but you are disqualified immediately. But other than that, like I said, there are 2 games. Yeah, there are 2 games every single day, one at 7 p.m. and the other at 8 p.m. So again, let me type it out on the comments. The game is called, the app is called Cash Show. And I actually have an invite code in case you guys want a little something extra. Invite code. Let me type that up for you. All right. Copying and pasting. All right. In the comments now, I will pin this comment so you don't have to be scrolling through the rest of the comments to check out, to actually find this out. But anyways, like I said, my name is Marivi. Currently, I'm working on, learning different ways to make money from home, because especially, I'm a mother of one, but, I want to spend as much time as possible with my baby. So currently learning how to make money from my laptop, from my phone, and here I am sharing it out to you guys. So like I said, I will be sharing money-making opportunities every single day. I haven't chosen a specific time because, like I said, I'm a mom, so I'm pretty busy. But you could always turn on notifications to see whenever I'm live. But I have something really cool in stock for you tomorrow. So hopefully I'll see you there. All right, well, I'm about to end this video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully I'll see you there at 7 p.m. Again, there is a game at 7 p.m. and the other at 8:30 p.m. Don't try to cheat because it doesn't work like that. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.